Everyone, real quick, we're going to go over playlist 3 for the Outsiders. So I went to my classroom, I went to classwork, and then I found where it says the Outsiders playlist 3, and then the playlist is always located here. So I clicked on it, and here's what's going to come up. This week is obviously March 15th through March 19th. I do want to make sure you guys notice that Monday, actually for our class, so on Monday, we are going to be doing like a screening, and so we're going to end up going down to the commons and doing that. However, there is still something that I want you guys to do while you're waiting in line. The first thing being, um, so on Monday when we do have the screening, I have linked right here chapter 5 for an Edpuzzle, and so you're going to click on that. You're going to log in with Google, and you should be able to access the Outsiders chapter 5. It's going to be it's going to actually, you don't even need to pull up the PDF. You just follow along with what is on the screen. You listen to it, so you're going to need headphones, and then it's going to ask you prompting questions as you go through. When you're done, then it will tell me that you've submitted it, and I will be able to see your answers. So make sure that you really take this seriously and that you're um, listening to chapter 5 during this time. So that's going to be Monday. Tuesday, we're going to work on character map and comprehension questions. We're also going to talk a little bit about theme. And then Wednesday and Thursday are our independent days. Some of you guys on this day will be broken up into groups. So there will be a group that works completely independently. There's another group that will be with me, and the third group will be with Miss Freeman. On Wednesday, the groups that are with Ms. Freeman and I are going to be reading chapter 6 and discussing, and we're also going to be doing the dialectical journal entries and the comprehension questions. If you're not with either group, so if you're the independent group, you're still doing this, you just have a little bit more of leadway, and then when you're done completing this, you are going to when you're done completing this, you are going to do the may-dos. So go down here and select vocabulary.com. You can do another iReady lesson. You can read a Newsela article. I actually suggest that you guys read a Newsela article because honestly, all of them correlate really well with the Outsiders, and so it might give you some more insight into what's going on. But then after Wednesday and Thursday and that independent work time Friday is going to be our iReady day. So you will be doing iReady on Friday this week. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know.